The second part of pre-check, before you're doing anything, make sure that you have enough fuel in both the tanks by visually inspecting them. So I'm going to climb up onto the left wing here. And that's the fuel. Open it up, and there's enough fuel there, although it's not full. We normally like it to be full so that there is no water vapor condensation, but that's okay. But we do this first so that if we have to call for fuel, we don't lose any time while waiting for that. And now on the right wing, the fuel is a little different because it has a vent in it, and that, as you can see, is full, which is the way it should be. And I close it off. Get down. Next thing to do is to check the oil, see if we have enough oil. Somebody has turned it very tight, so there I am, checking the oil, bringing it up, keeping it horizontal, and I see that we have about 7 quarts, which is good enough, so I'll put that back. Without over tightening it. That's done. Now we need to strain the tanks to make sure there's no water vapor in any of the tanks. We do that by, there are 5 areas where we do that. This is a straining tank. Get some fluid in. Look at it for any kind of water vapor or bubbles or sediments. Looks pretty clear to me. And then repeat the same thing in all the other tank, carefully observing. 3, 4, and 5. Take a look, and that looks pretty clear. Hold it against the sky, and you see that it's very clear. And do the same thing on the other side, and there are 5 again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now they're clean. Now there are 3 under the fuselage here, under the engine. That's kind of hard for me to photograph while I'm doing that. I have to bend down here, but I'll try. That's 1. 3. So that looks good. Now what I do is I go up to the left wing and tip it back into the tank so that we don't waste the fuel. That's the second part of the pre-check flight.